How do specific gut bacteria affect your mood? Imagine your gut as a bustling city filled with tiny residents working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. These tiny residents are your gut bacteria, and they play a big role in how you feel mentally and emotionally. Recent research shows that the bacteria living in your gut can influence your mood in surprising ways. They do this by talking to your brain through a special communication system called the gut-brain axis. This system uses nerves, immune signals, and hormones to send messages back and forth. Certain bacteria produce chemicals that can directly affect your nerve cells and brain chemistry, which can change how you feel. Studies have found that people with depression often have different types of gut bacteria compared to those without depression. Some bacteria that produce mood-boosting chemicals are missing in these individuals. These missing bacteria can make substances that support brain health and mood regulation. When these bacteria are low, it might make it harder for your brain to stay balanced. It is not yet clear if the bacterial changes cause depression or if depression causes the bacteria to change, but the link is strong. Some gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These substances help keep your immune system strong and support the lining of your gut. When your gut lining is healthy, fewer harmful substances leak into your bloodstream. This is important because inflammation in the body has been linked to feelings of depression and anxiety. Lower levels of bacteria that produce butyrate have been seen in people with mood issues. Having enough of these bacteria might help protect your brain from inflammation and improve your mood. Another way bacteria influence your mood is through the vagus nerve, which is a major highway connecting your gut to your brain. Certain probiotic bacteria like Lactobacillus rhamnosus can stimulate this nerve. Animal studies show that stimulating the vagus nerve with these bacteria can reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. This shows how important gut bacteria are in regulating emotions through neural signals. Gut bacteria also affect your immune system by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are chemicals linked to depression. They can influence hormone levels too, such as lowering cortisol, the stress hormone. When cortisol is high, it can make you feel more anxious and stressed. Gut bacteria that help lower cortisol can support a calmer, more balanced mood. What you eat makes a difference in your gut bacteria and your mood. Diets rich in healthy fats and proteins may be linked to lower anxiety and depression. Eating more fiber from fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains encourages the growth of bacteria that produce butyrate. This can strengthen your gut barrier and potentially lift your mood. To support your gut bacteria and mental health, include probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut regularly. Prebiotics, which are fibers that feed good bacteria, are found in foods like bananas, onions, garlic, and whole grains. Managing gut inflammation and preventing leaky gut by eating a balanced diet and taking probiotics can help reduce systemic inflammation that affects your mood. Emerging treatments like fecal microbiota transplants are being explored to help restore healthy gut bacteria in people with depression. In short, specific gut bacteria influence your mood by producing mood-rated chemicals, reducing inflammation, and communicating with your brain through nerves. Taking care of your gut with good food, probiotics, and gut-friendly habits can be a simple way to support your mental well-being and help manage feelings of depression and stress.